LVMH has got a big stand. What is your ambition here?
I think we have, first of all, organized it since last year because, you know, we own Les Echos, and Les Echos started the idea, and we do it in cooperation with Publicis. So I think we want to show that it's possible for big organizations, for large companies, to be close to startups and to help startups. I think it's the main goal. And you have seen maybe it's the best or largest show of this type, where you have a mix between large organizations, large companies, and startups, like in the LVMH stand, where we have selected 32 startups that we are going to work with to present to the outside world, and we are going to give to one of them a prize tomorrow.
So how much are you investing at the LVMH investing in startup?
Oh, we are investing for a long time. We are investing in startups of any kind. Fashion startup, digital startup. I think the best example I can give you is Sephora. You know, when we invested in Sephora in the 90s, it was a startup. And today, it's maybe the largest retailer of beauty products in the world. And we have started also very early, beginning of 2000, a digital operation, which is based in San Francisco, where we have, I think, one of the best digital team in the world. And it's extremely successful. For instance, we are number one seller on the digital, on the web, of beauty products in the US, far above Amazon. Right. You know? So we know how to manage startups and how to make them grow. Because remember, a startup, the goal of the startup is not to stay a startup. The goal of a startup is to grow and to become, if possible, a large company.
You're talking about the US markets. You obviously went to the US to meet with the President Donald Trump before. And what's your take on his first month in office and your business there?
You know, I am interested in business. So in business, I think we are in a very strange period for several years. Money is almost costing zero, if not a negative interest, which means that some companies, as LVMH for instance, when we borrow money, we are paid to borrow money. I think it's dangerous. Two, you have a lot of money in the markets. Three, the prices of assets like stock prices are extremely high. So I am very optimistic for the world for the long term. But I see as unavoidable that a crisis happen within the next few years. I cannot tell you exactly when, but bubbles are inevitably building up now. And at one point, they will explode. You know, it's the first time I have seen that since I am in business. And since I am in business, I have seen crises almost every 10 years. It very soon will be over the last period of 10 years without anyone. So,
political one, not a financial one.
My activity domain is economic. It's not politics.
One very quick question on Emmanuel Macron that you're meeting. Do you think he's creating the best environment for startups that we've seen in years in France?
I am very happy to see France with Emmanuel Macron and with a new power that will change, reform France, and that will contribute to also give more strength to Europe as a whole.